Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kaylaharnae. Hey, hiya. There. Okie dokie. So today's video is super exciting because I got some new makeup last weekend. If you watched my last video, it was a vlog with my boyfriend. You guys should catch that, watch that video. But we went shopping and I went to Sephora and I picked up a few things. Stay tuned for my next video because I'm going to do a Sephora haul. But I was just really excited to try something that I got. And as you know by the title, I will be reviewing, well, it's gonna be my first impression. Today I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Luminous Matte Foundation. It's a full coverage liquid foundation and I'm really excited. Sorry, my eyes are like annoying. But yeah, I'm really excited because I haven't tried any new makeup in a long time, let alone a foundation. So I'm super excited. And I haven't tried any of Huda's skin, face products. I've only tried an eyeshadow palette. So let's see what's poppin'. And what caught my eye was Luminous Matte. Like, you had me at Luminous. Now, I don't typically, what? I don't normally go for a matte foundation. I normally go for a luminous dewy look. However, because it's a combo, I just want to see exactly what it is. This may be a bomb summer makeup. I mean, a bomb summer foundation, because if it is matte, you know, in the summer you may be well, I am a little bit more oily, and so a matte foundation doesn't look as matte as it would, you know what I'm trying to say, in the winter. So let's just hop into this. This is what the foundation looks like. Very sleek, cute packaging. I believe this was, I'm gonna put the price on the screen, I don't wanna lie. So yeah, but I'm gonna give this a good old shake. And I'm excited. Really liking the packaging, super sleek, cute, you know. So I'm gonna do my makeup like I normally do because I wanna get the full, if I were to wear this with my everyday makeup routine, how well does it suit with me? How well do we get along? So that's the normal, or that's what I'm going for today. So I'm taking my Farsali Liquid Glass Radiance Make Skin Serum. Can you guys remind me to pick up a new one the next time I go to Sephora, because I'm almost out. Before I prime, I like to put this all over my face, and you know, I want as much moisture as I can get. For my primer, I'm going with the Benefit Professional Hydrate Primer. I'm telling you guys, I'm all about anything hydrating. Ooh, that was this, I promise. But yeah, I'm just gonna focus this on my T-zone area. Like that, and then I'm gonna put a little bit more, sorry, and focus that on the outer perimeter of my face. The way I like to apply my foundation is with a brush, and I go for this nice, flat, thick little baby right here. And whenever I get a new foundation, I'm always dang, this bottle's about to get really dirty, because I'm a messy, not messy, but you know, if you do makeup, you know, things don't stay cute and sleek all the time. It gets a little messy. How do you take this off? Okay, it's just really secure. You just gotta pop it off like that. Oh, I'm gonna tell you my shade too. I'm in the shade Toffee 420G, and it's funny because I'm in the shade Toffee in my Maybelline Fit Me Dewy foundation also. But there is 1.18 fluid ounces in this, which is pretty average for a foundation. To find my right shade, I just looked at the description on Sephora. Sorry, you know, it takes a minute. Okay guys, let's blend this out and see how this looks. very full coverage, by the way. The color matches. She's a match for real. What'd you think? This is it. I haven't worn a thick foundation in so long, and it's not even that it's thick, it's just like full coverage. I'm liking this. Okay, so it's drying pretty fast. I'm trying to blend it out, but I can tell it's starting to settle. So you have to work kind of fast. I can feel it like sitting in place. Now I'm gonna take my beauty blender, the bottom of it, and just stamp this in. This is Sonia Kashik's beauty blender, by the way. Their beauty sponge. After I apply my foundation with a brush, I like going in with this because this helps remove any like brush streaks and just gives you that seamless application. Yeah, this is matte, honey, but it's like it doesn't look as it feels. Like it feels like, but not like in a bad way. I just feel like, I don't know, I can't describe it. I'm gonna try to describe it, just give me a moment. Keep in mind, this review is from someone who is typically wearing like a Luminous dewy hydrating foundation. I don't go for matte foundations. All right. I get what they mean by like Luminous matte because it's full coverage and it doesn't feel super like dry and tight. Like I feel like I have a face of makeup on, but it doesn't feel super like heavy. And the finish is pretty satin. I'm excited. I'm excited. So that doesn't look bad. Nice colors. I did bomb with the color. Okay, I think I did pretty good with the color. I feel like I look like I don't have foundation on. What do you guys think? Like I'm looking in the mirror and like this looks good. What you think? What you think? I'm going to finish up the rest of my face. You guys can stay here, you can watch me. I'm just gonna fast forward through everything. This is not a makeup tutorial, this is a foundation, first impressions. So I just wanna see how the foundation plays with the rest of my makeup products. And I'm just gonna do my makeup like I typically do it, okay? So just sit back and enjoy the show, okay? Okay. You know what's funny? Okay, so really quick, I just have to say the cream contour that I'm using, the concealer, is in the shade Toffee as well. So clearly, if you see a shade Toffee, I'm most likely use it or match it. So if you use me as a makeup reference, just keep that in mind.
Take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life. this building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting the pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out.
Okay guys, I'm all done with my face. Let me get my little mirror so I can look up close. I'm into it, guys. I am into it. So here is how my skin is looking. I feel like she's looking pretty flawless, and the foundation took well to my other products that I used. I feel like I don't look too matte. I am into it. And I did my makeup how I normally do it. If you want to see what was that? If you want to see like how I do this face right here, I can do a video for you next. But yes, my first impression of this foundation, I would definitely say that it is luminous. It is matte, but it's not like wild. So if you are someone who has dry skin, or if you are just used to like wearing hydrating like luminous foundations, I would recommend trying it, because I do think like if you work it with your normal like hydrating products, whether it's your primer, your moisturizer, whatever you do, if you can combine it, I think that like you'll be good. And what I mean by combine it is if like you do your routine how you normally do it with this foundation, I think that like you can get somewhere. Don't mind my hair, she is just living her best life. But yeah, I really do like this foundation. I'm happy with my purchase. This is my new go-to at the moment. I will be wearing it the next few times I do my face, just so I can really make sure I get a good feel of how I do it. And what am I trying to say? The next time I do my makeup with this foundation, I'll be able to let you guys know like if I still like it. But based on my based on my first impressions, I am into it. It doesn't feel like, I mean, it is a little sticky, but I feel like any makeup is sticky, like, and I just sprayed a dewy setting spray, so that's probably where that came from. Here is another look at my skin. I am into it. She just looks good. And I'm really excited because I got some new, I got some other Huda. Can you guys tell me how to pronounce it? But I got some other products by Huda Beauty, and I'm excited to try it with this foundation. So if you want to see a full face of new makeup, or you know what I'm trying to say, let me know. And yeah, I can't stop looking because I really like it, and I hope you guys like it too. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope somehow, some way I helped you out. Again, I'm in the shade Toffee 420G. Yeah, Toffee 420G. I do recommend this foundation even if you have more drier skin like me. I still think that you'll like it. It gives you full coverage but without the cake, you know what I'm saying? So yes, if you guys tried this foundation, or if you already have, let me know down in the comments. Let me know any other foundations that you want me to try. I do want to try the Kat Von D Good Apple foundation, I think it's called, but I know it's like going crazy on TikTok, and I've seen a few people do videos on it, and I'm intrigued. So if you want me to do another video on that one, then let me know. I don't really do first impression videos, so I don't know how to like give you like a proper, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know. I hope this was somehow some way helpful, and yes, I like this foundation. Love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.